Dogs are gonna go freaking nuts. It does. Ain't gonna go. There we go.
There goes my flowers.
That's pretty. The hell was that it?
There goes my flowers.
The hell? That sucked. What was like a... Go in. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. All right. Oh, God. I'm so on fire.
My dad just texted me and said, so I take it the police didn't come today.
That means exactly right. Police
Oh,
didn't
no,
come.
wait, don't light it yet.
That must have been text me.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Why, my dad asked your number too? Oh my God.
Yeah, because I had to work on a fork truck.
Oh, okay. You're famous. Dude, baby, come on, light the firework. Light it up.
Just let him know he has to be decent.
Yeah, tell him I acting decent, man. Don't call me so freaking angry. You called me a toad the other day. I got him space. So come into again, bro. My dad's so ignorant. You know that?
Mom, you have a lighter.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
My mom might have a lighter.
I'm still recording. You want to help? I can help.
My mom, oh, there we go.
Okay.
Put your hand in front of it. The wind's probably blowing it out. Mom, where's your lighter?
Come
Here,
on.
here's a lighter.
So it's like that whole fuse is
Plus, it's windy.
Can I post this on YouTube? Dave and the fireworks. Can I? Dave, can I post this? I'll post it. Son of a bitch. So fucking cheap. Cheap like freaking. It ain't a Phantom. Phantom fireworks, man. Oh my God, there's Kringle. What's up, Kringle? Kringle's trying to find a spot there. And, oh, here we go, baby. Let's go.
Old Faithful.
Is it Old Faithful?
Old Faithful.
Ah, what is? Yeah. It'll pop.
And all that just to kill my flowers.
Oh, just to kill your
Is that it?
Here, light one more off.
Now let me light it.
No.
Do a big one. Yeah, do no. I want you to do a fountain. Do one of these.
Be careful. On the exits, there are toxic.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Reignite, soak with water after use. Huh?
What's that?
Not yet.
Powermite? What is that?
Fireworks, and then we're gonna leave.
Yeah,
Is it
man,
raining there?
it's chilly.
Ask Danny if it's raining.
Yeah.
Yeah, how bad is the weather getting? Are we gonna get stuck in the storm?
Yeah. I was sitting out on my break before and the door blew the wind all the way over into the next door. I'm like, ooh, it's Dave.
I just spit.
Alright, I will. Yeah,
Yeah, there you go. Back off, back away.
look at that one.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The hell was that? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, Roo.
Okay, Mama.
See you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.
Bye-bye.
It's okay, boys. Hey, ate my fur!
Vape King's out, baby.